Today we are going to tackle about our recent family vacation. But before that, my name by Nori Alimaw.
I am Pahima Sali. Today, let's talk about your family vacation. What was your experience like? How did you feel and what memories did you create with your family?
As we arrived at the beach, the sound of the waves and the warmth of the sun on our skin immediately put us at ease. We spent the day soaking up the sun, playing in the waves and taking leisurely strolls along the shore. My siblings and I even tried our hand of surfing with mixed resort, but plenty of laughs while we were having coffee by the sea and chatting while having coffee and looking at the beautiful view of the sea. Even the children were happily batting and playing. We arrived at our destination, the beach. The views is so breakingly beautiful. As soon as we arrived at the beach, everyone changed into their beach outfits. But before swimming, we all ate first. After eating, we swim and enjoy ourselves.
How did you feel when you were already at the beach were visiting? Was the beach beautiful? Was it not boring and did it have a great view? And what did you think of the beach? Was the view stunning? Did you have a great time there?
One of the highlights of our trip was the quality time we spent together as a family. We shared meals, played games, and simply enjoyed each other's company. It was wonderful to see my siblings and parents relax and unwind, and to feel us grow closer as a family. I hope my family and I can bond for many more days, months, and years because I am so happy to see the whole family happy. I am happy too.
And what were your feelings when you were on your way to your destination with your family? And what were you thinking or planning? How were your activities there with your family? And how did you feel heading to your destination with your family? And what were you looking forward to?
As we packed up to leave, I felt a sense of sadness was over me. I didn't want our vacation to end, and I didn't want to leave the sand, and surf behind. But as we drove away, I knew that we would always carry the memories of our beach getaway with us. And I couldn't wait to start planning our next adventure together. I'm excited about the next trip my family will go on. I hope everyone has this much fun. I can't wait for the day when this adventure happens again. I hope there will be more bonding with the family.
For you, what was the beach part of vacation you went on with your family, or was it the time you spent eating together? What were your feelings?
My feelings is so happy and makes exciting.